Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off sensitive content on Twitter. Now this works on your phone and it also works on desktop. Now don't worry, this works exactly the same. All you have to do is follow these steps and this will work out for you. Now let's get started. Now you want to go into Twitter and then click on More. Next up you gotta click on Settings and Sport, and there you'll see Settings and Privacy. Click on it. Now here in this section you gotta click on Privacy and Safety. Now on the right side you will see Content You See, which is on the third row. Click on it. Now there you'll see Display media that may contain sensitive content. Now if you tick this, you will be able to see the sensitive content on Twitter. If you don't want to see this, you might as well leave it unticked. And that's exactly how you can turn off the sensitive content on Twitter. I hope this helps you out. If it does, then make sure you leave a like down below, and I'll hopefully will see you on the next video. Peace out.